Welcome once again to What's New in O Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week, we have new product announcements from Lionel, Menards, MTH Electric Trains, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Coming soon from the Center for Railroad Photography and Art is Burlington's Spectacular Steam Program by Justin Franz. In the 1950s and 1960s, no railroad could top the steam program of the Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy. The railroad operated more than 260 steam trips that carried more than 100,000 riders and left impressions on countless more trackside admirers. With well-honed photojournalistic sensibilities, John E. Gruber portrayed these trips as the events they were, capturing the power of their locomotives, the pride of their railroaders, and the wonder they inspired. This book presents nearly 100 of his best black and white photographs from the collection of the Center for Railroad Photography and Art, along with essays and interviews by Norman Carlson and Justin Franz. See the video description for pricing and availability. And as the weather turns colder, check out these warm railroad-themed sweatshirts from Daylight Sales. Daylight Sales offers a wide variety of railroad logo clothing and accessories, and all items are officially licensed and authentic. Follow the link in the video description to view the entire collection. Lionel Trains has announced a new Make Your Own Train Set feature on its webpage. The feature allows you to select from a variety of locomotives, freight or passenger cars, power supplies, track configurations, and even additional accessories like structures, people, and smoke fluid. Try it out at mys.lionel.com. Menards has now officially announced the Milwaukee Road and Chicago and Northwestern train sets that have been available in stores, but not online, for several weeks. Each set comes with an FP7 diesel, 2 freight cars, track, remote control, and a power supply. The sets are priced at $249.99 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2025 Premier O-Scale GP7 diesel locomotive in Canadian National, Rock Island, Maine Central, Amtrak, Seaboard Coastline, and Santa Fe colors next spring. Each of the schemes will be offered in 2 authentic cab numbers. All will be limited in production and expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in March 2025. The suggested retail price is $599.95. MTH will also be producing several exclusive GP7 models for Mr. Muffin's Trains. There will be 2 Kansas City Southern versions, plus a Minneapolis and St. Louis version in 2 different cab numbers. The early order price is $539.96. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale lighted billboard featuring a Callahan Auto Parts advertisement for exclusive distribution by Nassau Trains. The billboard will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2024. The early order price is $44.99. MTH has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale lighted billboard featuring a Dad's Root Beer advertisement for Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The billboard will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2024. The early order price is $39.99. And MTH Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale lighted billboard featuring a Congress Beer advertisement for JR Junction Train and Hobby. The billboard will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in December 2024. The early order price is $39.95. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And watch our long-form Toy Train Tips and Tricks videos released every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern for another edition of What's New in O Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.